Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest in kitchen design and functionality. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Moen's single-handle kitchen faucet repair diagram. Repairing a Moen single-handle kitchen faucet can be a straightforward process with the right guidance. Whether it's a leaky faucet, low water flow, or other issues, understanding the internal components and their functions is crucial. This diagram and accompanying information will guide you through the repair process step by step. 1. Identify your faucet model. Locate the model number on your faucet. It's usually engraved on the underside of the base or on the spout. 2. Find the repair diagram. This will lead you to a page with a list of parts for your specific faucet model. 3. Understanding the diagram. The diagram will illustrate each part of your faucet and its placement within the assembly. By comparing the diagram to your faucet, you can identify which component might be causing the problem. The part numbers on the diagram will help you order replacements if needed. Diagram description. Faucet handle, the lever you use to control the flow and temperature of water. Set screw, a small screw securing the handle to the faucet's cartridge. Cartridge, the core component regulating water flow and temperature. It may need replacement if the faucet is leaking or malfunctioning. O-ring, a rubber ring sealing the cartridge to prevent leaks. Retainer clip, holds the cartridge in place within the faucet body. Valve seat connects the faucet to the spout, ensuring a proper seal. Spout, the part from which water flows out. Aerator, the screen at the end of the spout, responsible for regulating water flow and preventing splashing. Turn off water supply. Shut off the water supply to the faucet before starting any repairs. This is typically done by closing the valves under the sink. Remove handle. Use an Allen wrench to loosen the set screw securing the handle. Once loose, remove the handle by pulling it straight off. Extract cartridge. Locate the cartridge inside the faucet body. Depending on the model, you may need pliers or a cartridge removal tool to extract it. Remove any retaining clips or rings if present. Inspect cartridge. Check the cartridge for any signs of damage or wear, such as cracks or mineral buildup. If it's damaged, replace it with a compatible Moen cartridge. Replace O-ring. If the O-ring appears worn or damaged, replace it with a new one of the same size. Reassemble faucet. Insert the new or repaired cartridge back into the faucet body. Ensure it's properly aligned and secured with any retaining clips or rings. Reattach handle. Slide the handle back onto the faucet stem and tighten the set screw to secure it in place. Test faucet. Turn on the water supply and test the faucet for leaks or proper operation. Adjust the handle to check for smooth operation and correct temperature control. Reassemble aerator. If removed, reattach the aerator to the spout and ensure it's clean of any debris. Conclusion. By following this repair diagram and accompanying instructions, you can successfully fix common issues with your Moen single-handle kitchen faucet. Remember to use caution and follow safety procedures when working with plumbing fixtures. If you encounter any difficulties or are unsure about the repair process, consider consulting a professional plumber. Thanks for joining us on Home Haven. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips and tricks. Until next time, happy cooking!